What am I in? Old 43, yeah, 4320 John Deere. Kyle was baling out there. 806 blue hydraulic plug, I guess, and O-ring. So I went and grabbed Kyle's tractor and feed my cows. So I'll be back later. Well, I definitely like how this shifts. Click, click. Off to the races. Yeah, a little nicer than the old International, I'll tell you that for free. Anyways, driving the green tractor. But, I don't know what to tell you on it. Hydraulics are really good. It's got good brakes. It's got no step, it's hard to get into. But anyway, talk to you later. Well, good afternoon. Oh, there's a bale. Bale and barley straw. 8 so far. Yeah, I just did a whole clip and apparently didn't record. So, boy oh boy. When a guy wants to record something, he's there acting. So yeah, finally baling barley straw. Wind kind of did a little number on it in places, but whatever, it's better than nothing. So we're probably going to feed some of it, hopefully, and the rest will get used for bedding. I'm going to end up with quite a few bales because I'm taking half of what's on my home place where my brother-in-law's baling. He's got a little bit left to finish. And this stuff, I should end up with close to 100 bales. So I got a little bit of oat straw yet from last year. 15 or 20, I can't remember. Got a whole pile. And yeah, we'll keep the cows alive. We'll go see Robin, get some molasses, and I'm going to get a lick tank from him. And I'm not going to pour molasses on the straw like I did before. You guys don't know about that because I wasn't making videos then, but a couple of years ago, I got molasses and I poured it right on the straw bales and fed them out. And it did work, but it's just a bit of a chore in the wintertime and the molasses is cold and not flowing properly. And yeah, so we'll just put in a lick tank. They can have their way with it, and I'm sure they'll chew on the straw. So if not, I guess I'll change my ways, but I'm sure they've been known to eat some straw before. They decide they're going to eat straw, you can't keep them bedded. So, anyways, I'll let you guys go and we'll talk to you in a little while. There, minute 24 seconds to make a bale. I started filming as soon as started going again. Ha! I just want to see how long a bale took to make. Not very long. Look at them all out there. Well, it's not lots, but the release bearing this thing sounds like crap. But yeah, it's well, not much on this end, but kind of in the center and all down that end. Running better than the hay did, so another one tied. I'll bring you guys back later. Good morning, everyone. Well, sun's shining and clogged up. Anyway, we're gonna do some repairs this morning. The Western Star decided it needs a battery or two, or all four maybe. I don't know, I'm hoping just to change one or two. And then get that going. And got a little bit of work to do on Dad's combine. It's got a slip clutch problem. And with without any trouble, hopefully we'll get combining today and finish the quarter that we were on before the rain. So it's Thursday now. Coming up on the round bales I made last night. I don't know why one half didn't tie, but I didn't do anything to fix the baler. And it worked on all the rest, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna roll in here on the Western Star and get that checked out and go to town and get some batteries. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Oh, here, I'll wait till I pull in the bin yard. Show you what I got fired up. I didn't video any of it because we were all itchy and just trying to haul out some barley, and we were just running with little trucks, and yeah, I had to clean some bin bottoms out, but sounds like I might not need them anyway because I booked some wheat in to sell off the combine too. So price come up there yesterday, and I see it fell down this morning, so it's good I booked it in. Whoa, stole the truck. Anyways, yeah, I cleaned those 3 bins out. So that other white that was sitting in Dad's yard there, the old 2155, fired him up, put him on the grain vac. The engine's pretty tired in it, but yeah, left some blow-by puddles on the ground. But anyway, up to the Star here. So battery covers are off already because I had to boost it to move it. But anyways, got my multimeter here, and unhook a couple battery, or unhook them all and then test them individually just to see who has power and who doesn't. I should have unhooked them all last night because that would have told me better today. But 2017 was the last time I put batteries in it. So with the exception of this one, I did change that in like 2018 or 2019. It wouldn't start. It was 2018 because I was like, what the hell, I just put batteries in last year. But anyways, they wouldn't warranty it for whatever reason. I can't remember why. And so I just bought that one. But this cable also needs to be replaced. She's pouched. So anyways, I'll quit yapping and get to work. Frickin' phone shut you off. Anyways, we're at 32 ish. So grain temperature is 17 Celsius. So we're at 32 is there, and then you find 17 up here, and you come down to 32, and yeah, she was 12, what, 12.6, 12.5, 12.6. Where are you at? Yeah, it was 12.6. So yeah, it was good and dry the other day. So we'll take a sample right away of the stuff that Marshall is combining, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, too close. Just seen my pupils, eh? Anyway, yeah, we're going to take a Marshall's out there combine. I told him just give her. I'm hoping it's down to at least 15. It was 18.1. Then yesterday was 16.2. It's been blowing, sun shining. So we'll bring you back when we take a sample. So see you in a few. Well, good afternoon. If I haven't said it already, I don't remember what I videoed last. I think I was taking a sample. Anyways, it was 16.6. We moved some stuff around. Ian went and helped Dad fix his combine, put some new springs and a slip clutch. And Dad took a sample of his barley, and his barley is 13.5, so he's combining with his 1680. And this was 16, and it's now down to 15.2. So yeah, rather than running our combines over to help Dad take off barley, I just decided to keep going on this. They'll take it at 15 or 15.2 or even 16. I might try that 16 stuff, but they'll all make it down one way or another. So yeah, still running good. Boys pulled 2,000 bushels off already since they fired up a couple hours ago, and I was trucking, and Ian just wanted to run home and let his puppy dog out of the house, take a poop, and so making a round or two until he gets back, and Mama brings supper out to the field. So Marshall over there giving her the onion. Anyway, yeah, I will let you guys go and bring it back when there's something exciting to talk about. Back and forth. Anyway, going over a hill. I'll let you guys go. Talk to you later. Whoa. Not very often I catch these guys in this end of the field, seems like. That I think the video, we'll go with that. They've been over here a couple times, but I was not thinking of this. This full hopper you see boiling on top. Bring it back in a few. I can barely hear the John Deere right there, but that old 1680 straight piped. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, well, I would dump some more trucks. So that, I don't know what they've dumped in it, but not much. I see Louisville is full. And I just brought that guy back, so Think we're gonna film one more bin? I'm thinking so. Still good 30 acres there yet, so talk to you in a bit. Back being the bin monitor. I don't know if it'll be quite right full, but full enough that I'll probably move. We'll stand up here and see. Because I hate starting the grain trailer into a almost full bin. Far too much a pain in the butt. But it might be close to 1950 or something in there when it's done piling up quick. Hard hanging fat guy off a bin. Couple green things in there. We'll take a test here shortly and see where we're sitting. I'm guessing all this has to go through the grain dryer. Unless the elevator wants it tough. They're pretty hungry for grain when they're phoning you. Oh yeah, she's be full enough. A little ways from the top, but the truck's almost empty. So look at her slide. Okay, bring it back a little later. Well, the field's done. Marshall's going home with the Louisville. I'm gonna take this back to the bin yard. Ian's rolling the tarp up on the brown truck. And that's a wrap. So, about 60, 61 bushel an acre-ish, depending on, that's just in volume, so I don't know bushel weight, but anyways, it's all done, so. It's bright. Look at that old sexy beast, eh? Like and subscribe.